Emmanuel kuva Kisoro Busamba mebale nyo
session ingewana muje session ingewana wani jana session ingewana
Tragedy that has happened to Kisoro district and the country, because losing a member of parliament and a minister at the same time is not a simple matter. But she died from the hospital, and now from Mengo, the government has decided to use the Mengo facility, the governmental facility, to check to carry out the post-mortem. And as we talk now, the Minister of Defense, they have a meeting and to see the burial arrangements. So the country will be informed at an appropriate time. Prince that she was a very good member of parliament and a minister and a performer and a selfless person and developmental. So many people will pick a lot of lessons from her, but it's sad that we have lost her when she's still young, and the country, when she had a lot to offer to government and the country.
Honorable Eddie Kisoro.
Yeah, as a member of parliament for women, she was a role model in development. Yeah, Minister abadde mukozi nnyo, abadakolera government ali member of parliament. Eggwanga lyonna n'ekisoro tufiirwa nnyo. Yafiiridde Mengo mu ggwaliro, kati tuli wano ku post-mortem Mulago, na government kati eri mu meeting balabe kiki kyakukola. Nze nka member of parliament ate abadde omubaka wange omukyala Kisoro, abadde mukyala ayekamba nnyo, ayagala ebyenkulakulana. Kijja kuba kigumu nnyo okufuna omuntu nka ye mu district.
Indeed, that we've lost a friend, a colleague, a sister, and everything. She has been so close to me and close to the young ministers in cabinet, and more especially when it comes to planning together. What do we do? What do we say? What do we tell the president? How do we address him? And all that. She has been composed and down to earth. She's a minister who has been a friend to many of members of parliament, and she has been, by the time she was a minister of youth, she got many young people close to her. And that's when you didn't see any demonstration of the young people on the streets against anything in her regime. Now when she was, because of her nature and strength and being at the border, she was given that position of Minister of Defense. She had handled many challenges at the border, including those issues to do with M23 and all those things. She has been a very hard-working lady. We have missed a colleague, we have missed a pillar. As young people, though I'm older, she looked tall, but older, would make jokes and all those things. We are so at pain, and I think we did not get any chance for government to take her to the hospital and treat her. That was God's plan, because she would be now very far for treatment and all that, but nobody, not even us, could reach her and rescue her life. God's plans are not man's plans. Idwa nnyo mukwano gwaffe omulungi, era omwana omukozi, omwana omulungi, akoze nnyo emikwano, minister atalina nsonga, minister omuwombeefu, ate mukwano gw'abangi. Ffe ng'aba minister bakozeko naye, nze mbadde close nnyo naye nga buli kimu kyonna tukipanga mu groups, tuzipanga nga tulina ebintu almost ebifaanagana, ewaffe nga waliyo ADF newe nga waliyo M23, nga tulina ebintu bingi bye tulwana okulaba nti Uganda kifo kyaffe kitereera. Era abadde nnyo omuntu asakira abantu be, nga mu buli kimu ng'olaba atawana nnyo okulaba nti asakira abantu be. Tetunamanya nnyo ekimututte mangu bwe kityo, bwebeera pressure tukoze bubi, bwe kibeera kitukoze bubi kubanga abadde mwana mulungi nnyo ate ng'akoze nnyo strength n'agiraga ne mu nkola ye ng'okiraba nti ye n'ow'amagye tewali njawulo. Tufiiriddwa nnyo okusinziira, akendeeza ku namba yaffe ey'abakyala mu cabinet ate akendeeza ku namba yaffe ey'abakyala mu palamenti. Tunyoleddwa nnyo era tulina obulumi bungi ku mitima kubanga ava ku booda ate ng'akola nnyo emirimu egyo okulaba nti obutebenkevu bubeera nnyo mu ggwanga era abadde abikoze nga buli kimu olaba kiteredde okuva mu bwa youth minister okugenda mu bwa minister of defense si kyangu ku mukyala kubanga enkola ye ebadde ya kisajja, enkola ye ebadde ng'akola nnyo ng'omujaza era tugenda mu misinganyo tumufiiriddwa nnyo era tufiiriddwa ddala.
Mukwano gwaffe yatuvudde ku maaso mbadde nyino tuuka wano bukyali but mbadde nva Buyukwe nentuuka wano. Sarah abadde muntu wange nnyo ddala. She was one of my closest friends as an MP, as a woman member of parliament and as an MP. So tusaaliddwa nnyo abadde mukozi w'amaanyi nnyo olw'ensonga abadde Kisoro agitadde ku maapu olw'obukozi bw'abadde nabwo ate abadde tayina nti bantumye sijja omulimu sijja gukola. So abadde agezaako okulaba she gives her best. She has died, to me she has died as a person who has been a hero and she has died a person who has been serving. She served diligently. Tusaaliddwa nnyo. She has left a very big gap in we had become more than family, as family. So sina byamaanyi byakwogera but preparations weziri zigenda mu maaso katulinde government they will officially communicate to us. Yes.